Welcome to our cheerful science classroom. Meet Professor Dino, our friendly dinosaur scientist. Today we have a fun experiment with milk and food coloring. Look at how the colors mix together. Watch closely as I touch the milk. Wow, look at those beautiful rainbow swirls. Science is all about exploring and having fun. Remember, every experiment is a new adventure. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hello, little scientists! Today, we're going to do a colorful and fun experiment. The magic milk. First, let's see what we need. We'll need a plate of milk, some food coloring, a cotton swab, and a little dish soap. Ready? Great! Step 1. Pour some milk into your plate. Step 2. Add a few drops of different food colors. Step 3. Dip your cotton swab into the soap and gently touch the milk. Wow! Look at that! The colors start to move and dance like a rainbow. That's because the soap is breaking the fat in the milk. And science makes the magic happen. Good job, little scientists! Hey there, friends! It's me, Dino! Did you like our experiment today? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And hey, don't miss our next super fun science adventure. See you soon. Bye-bye.